Hey guys, G Loves Trains here and welcome to day 35 of my vlog series exploring the northwest by train. Funny story, I filmed this intro like an hour ago, went to start the vlog, accidentally deleted the intro and now I'm back restarting it. I'm off to Port Sunlight, Spital, Bromborough Rake, Bromborough, Eastham Rake, Hooton, Little Sutton, Overpool, Ellesmere Port, Stanlow and Thornton and Ince and Elton. Upon arrival into Liverpool, it is super duper sunny and hot, so hopefully it stays like this the whole day. I'm really looking forward to it. Just got off 508-104 and I'm at Port Sunlight, and yes, it's in the sunlight. My long distance eyesight is so bad. I'm trying to see what time the next train is. I think it's like a few minutes off maybe, so let's get this station selfie took. Okay, I can actually see the next train incoming now. Port Sunlight is a Merseyrail only station and it's got two platforms. I'm on 508-114, let me remember this correctly. It's connected to 507-019. Ding-a-ding! Gotta love some fast-paced pep action, right? I'm now at Spital. This station looks quite massive actually. So, Spital, don't worry, I'm not going to spit on the platforms, of which there are two of them, and this station is run by Merseyrail. There's a telephone box that's missing the telephone. There's one of those funky card reader things, and what is behind here, because I'm just intrigued to know. Trees. Oh, I'm getting very sweaty now, but in this shelter there are some black seats and some green seats. Which colour seats would you like to sit on? Not sure what I was expecting to find on the outside of Spital station, but it's a very lovely area and it is next to a very busy road as well. Oh, just as I've said all that, the road quietens as well. Just got off 508-108 and I'm now at Bromborough Rake. Bromborough Rake, it's got two platforms and Merseyrail trains. And it's very quiet at this station. I was wondering, is it a staff station? Because usually Merseyrail stations are all staffed. I think the ticket office must be up there. We're gonna go take a look at a park. I don't know what it's called, but I've got written down park. Frick it. That really scared me. Oh my days! I literally thought there's like someone behind me there. Oh wow, the ticket office is actually closed. That's not something you often see. But can I get to the park this way? Let's find out. Dibbinsdale Local Nature Reserve it's called. Lovely place for a walk and you can hear trains stopping at the station. And I'm gonna go crack on because we got Merseyrail stations to get on with. Oof. We're getting on the next train. 507016. I think all the Chester services are 3 coaches and all the Ellesmere Port services are 6 coaches. I'm at Bromborough, like Bromborough Rake, but minus the rake. It's a Merseyrail station with 2 platforms. Does look a little bit like Spital. There is an Ellesmere Port service due in 1 minute. Well, it's coming in right now, and I'm gonna not get on that one because I've only been here about 2 minutes myself, and I want to go have a look outside the station. So train or go outside the station. We'll stay for a bit. There's plenty of time. The Merseyrail network's great for cyclists, isn't it? I was just having a read of how you actually get your bike in there. You have to like register online. So to get out the station, you have 2 options. You can either choose the steps or the stepped ramp. I chose the stepped ramp. And I'm really trying to like not think of how much I need a wee right now, because I know there's not going to be any toilets for a while. $508-130. Let's go to Eastham Rake. And here I am, another rake station, Eastham Rake this time. And I must say, that platform looks really cool with those like fancy bits. You can hear flowing water from this station. It's either somebody taking a shower or there is some sort of a brook down there. This is one of the prettiest ticket offices I have ever seen. Eastham Rake is a Merseyrail station with 2 platforms. Of course it is. It was never going to be anything else, was it? I'm on 507019, it's connected to 508114. It's very, very, very hot. And we're on our way to Houghton. Houghton has got Merseyrail trains and the frick! 4 platforms. 4! Quick, somebody call David. When I said there's 4 platforms, only 2 of them, unfortunately, are actually in use. But still, there's 4, and there's a buffer stop, like, right there. This is the closest I've ever been to a buffer stop. I wonder what you can get to around this station. Wirral Country Park? Okay, not gonna lie, when I was just filming that train out then, there was another train which I didn't realise pulling in behind me, and my ass crack was just like fully out there. I think the station signs need a bit of a scrub at Hooton. They're turning grey. Also, somebody's nicked off with the seats from this shelter, and okay, it doesn't smell like weed now. When I walked past before, somebody was totally smoking it here. So we did just branch off down the Ellesmere Port line now. So the next couple of stations should be half an hourly waits. The train I was on was 507024 and it was connected to 508115, I think. Some people have a long port. Some people have a middle wood. And some people have a little Sutton. It's nothing to be ashamed of, but this little Sutton is a Merseyrail station with 2 platforms. Little Sutton has got some beautiful artwork, so I'm gonna go check that out now. This building here looks like something you'd find at a northern station, but not gonna lie, pulling in on the train then and catching my first glimpse of this station, because I've never actually seen it before. I have heard of it because somebody commented Little Sutton on a live stream of mine and I was just in a pure giggling fit. But this is one of the most beautiful Merseyrail stations I've come across so far. I'm on 507015. I have no freaking idea what it's connected to. And you know when I said these services to Ellesmere Port was half an hourly? It's not at all, they're actually more frequent than that. I don't know why I thought that. And it actually was connected to nothing. It was a 3-coach service. Why am I holding 4 fingers up? I don't know. But we're at Overpool. Is Overpool over a pool? No. There is fruit all over the floor here, which I'm now just squidging underneath my feet, but it looks like a mixture of grapes and plums. That is a grape, isn't it? Oh my, what is that? Who's going to be sunburnt later? Me. But Overpool, it sees Merseyrail trains and it's got 2 platforms. There's loads of kids hanging around the station, but there are some of those shelters, you know, with the circles at the side, like at Halewood. 508139 is down that end and I've got on, just in time by the way, 507001, would you believe? I'm at Ellesmere Port, the terminus. I've never ridden here before, but it's got Merseyrail trains on platform 1. Yes, it is platform 1, and northern trains on platform 2. Yes, 2 platforms overall. When you're at Ellesmere Port, you put your knickers on your head, you put your knickers on your head, you put your knickers on your head. When you're at Ellesmere Port, you put your knickers on your head and you shout, "Squishy babies!" There's a shelter. It smells hot. Let's get out of there. I've got just under 2 hours before I switch from Merseyrail to northern trains, so I'm gonna go have a wander to the Manchester Ship Canal. This is an interesting way to cross a roundabout, isn't it? On our way to the Manchester Ship Canal, we are actually passing over the Shropshire Union Canal, which, to be honest, before just now, I never actually heard of. And this is it. This is like the most flowy I've ever seen a canal. Okay, so the next train we are getting on is actually one of the parliamentary train services. It is the Ellesmere Port to Warrington by Quay via Helsby. Now, I'm going to do like what I did with Denton and Reddish South on day, whatever it was, I'm losing count now. And I'm just going to ask the conductor whether I can get on and off the train at the next 2 dodgy stations, Stanlow and Thornton and Ince and Elton. So hopefully they will be very kind and help me out with this one. Only time will tell. You know what, I actually thought this train would be pulled up with like 20 minutes to spare, but it's coming in with under 5 minutes, and I was kind of hoping it would be a sexy 195, and I see it now, and it's a loud train. It is a 150, because I did see a 195 doing the Ellesmere Port run at Was a Wanky once, so I was kind of hoping for that lovely surprise. But 150 121 it is, and I'm gonna just try and grab a very quick word with the conductor now when they change over. And I thought I was the only person on this platform, but there is somebody else now. Alright, I just asked them and they said if I'm very quick, it's fine. So I'm gonna be super quick and get lucky with the door opening near the station sign. That would help as well, but frick knows where the station signs are gonna be.
This is the northern service to Liverpool Line Street. The next stop is Stanlow and Thornton.
Oh my days, there's no station sign. There's no station sign. Right. There's no station sign. We're at Stanlow and Thornton. It's a northern station with 2 platforms. Thank you. And it is actually within Stanlow Oil Refinery.
We will shortly be arriving at Ince and Elton.
There was no, the signs are right down there, so I couldn't get one. But I'm back on 150, 131. It's time to go again, please. Oh, there's a sign, stop here at the sign, just stop here at the sign. We're at Ince and Elton. It's a northern early station with 2 platforms. Thank you. And I have to say, it is a bit of a shame that Ince and Elton doesn't get more of a regular service, because I did see on maps it's surrounded by loads of shops and that. Right, that is my day done and dusted now, and I'm gonna have to come a separate time just to pure get a selfie at Stanlow and Thornton, because the signs are all the way down that end of the platform. Oh my days. Right, anyway, I love this fun pace stuff. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Thanks to the conductor for just letting me step off and back onto the train. I will see you next time.